We're filming Michaela coming down. Today is Christmas and we're filming Michaela coming down the stairs. So she doesn't know it yet, but she has a lot of presents down here. She has a stroller and some baby clothes, leapfrog, and a little bubble thing. That's Kyle's table. Oh. Here they come.
Mom. Mommy.
Good morning. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, what do you see?
Santa came last night, Michaela.
Babies.
They're babies, yeah. Look at everything got you. See, brought you a stroller. Yeah.
And she saw.
Babies.
Yeah, it's for your babies. A stroller for your baby. How did we know she would like it so much?
Santa knew that's what you wanted for Christmas.
Do you like it, baby girl?
Yeah.
Baby girl. Are you pushing it around?
Yeah, watch where you're pushing.
Look what else there is, Michaela. You see what that is, Michaela? What mommy just touched?
Books. I'm not sure I gave her this one.
Yeah.
Got a drawing book.
Shows you how to draw them.
Babies.
Yeah.
See,
Show her the bubble thing.
you got a bubble thing. Just like in the nursery.
Babies.
Here, hon. Look at what this is.
Remember that from nursery?
Look at this, Michaela. I haven't seen this one yet. They're books.
Do you want to film Nick and show her how it works?
Babies.
Babies.
Michaela can look at this book that Santa brought. Daddy has now. That's cool. That's a book and then the disc goes in.
Whoops, that's not an e-pad cartridge.
Yes, it is.
Time to change your batteries.
Oh. See, Michaela, it's like a book.
After you open your book, to let the LeapPad Plus writing player know what page you're on, touch the green Go circle. The green Go circle is touch the green Go circle to get started.
Are you dancing? You want to push the baby around?
We gotta get batteries. We'll play with it later.
Watch out for Kyle. Trousseau Should we show Kyla's present?
Yeah. This is for Kyle mainly, but Michaela can play with it too. Here. There you go, Kyle. Uh-oh. You're also turning this on, too. Whoa. Look, Michaela. Whoa. Pull yourself back up.
You need to share, Michaela. You showing Kyle how to use it, Michaela? Don't climb up on it, hon. What's she doing?
Look, Michaela. Push this down, and this moves.
Oh, now there's room for baby, huh? Bye, little mommy. Merry Christmas, Brian.
Merry Christmas.